Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to renew your motor vehicle registration certificate online, step by step. Since July 21, 2025, things have surely changed. Customer will no longer receive a sticker or decal for their windscreen. If you have a private registration plate, you can now complete your renewal fully online. No need to visit the tax office. Your certificate will move from a physical paper to a digital certificate, eMVRC, that you can save on your mobile device. Before we jump into the steps, let's go over what you need to have ready. This will save you some time. Your previous motor vehicle registration certificate, which should be expired or soon to expire. This will have the LA number, the owner's TRN, and if the vehicle has multiple owners, only one TRN is needed. The chassis number, and if this is unclear on your MVRC, you can also find it on your certificate of fitness, the MVID or the motor vehicle ID. You will also need a driver's license, and this does not have to be the owner's driver's license, plus the 10-digit control number from the back of the driver's license. A working email address, this is where your certificate info will be sent. A bank card with credit card features, and your choice of renewal period, 6 months, 12 months, or the new 24 months. And of course, make sure your certificate of fitness and insurance are valid before you start. That way, you won't run into any hiccups along the way. Now let's jump into the steps to renew your motor vehicle registration online. Go to www.jamaicatax.gov.jm or search tax administration in your browser. Click Login in the top right hand corner, then enter your username and password. On the eServices page, scroll down to Renew Motor Vehicle Registration and click it. Here you'll see information about the service and a reminder of what you need. You'll also be told to look out for 3 emails during the process. Click Next to go to the Motor Vehicle Registration Details page. A sample MVRC on the right will help you locate the numbers you need. A. The LA number. B. TRN of the owner. C. Registration plate number. D. MVID. E. Vehicle chassis number. Choose your renewal period and then enter your driver's license details. If any of the information is wrong, you will see an error message and you won't be able to continue. If everything is correct, select Next to see the summary page with the cost. Select Next to continue. Let's enter your contact details, TRN, name for the owner or the individual doing the renewal, your email address, your phone number, then select Next. Verify information will be displayed, select Continue. Once everything looks good, confirm payment information, then enter your credit card details and click Pay. Once your payment is successfully processed, you'll be redirected to the payment status page, which will allow you to generate your receipt. Select Print Receipt, then select Print, and your receipt will be generated. Save the receipt as it has all the information to generate your new eMVRC. You should receive an email advising that the certificate is ready. This will also have the certificate number. If for some reason you have not received the email, the receipt information can be used to generate the motor vehicle registration certificate. Now let's generate your new eMVRC. After payment, you'll get an email with your certificate number. If not, don't worry. The information is on your receipt and can be used. Here's how to generate it. Go back to the Tax Administration homepage and click on Electronic Motor Vehicle Registration Certificate Hub. Select Generate eMVRC or eFitness. Click Get Started on the Motor Vehicle Registration Certificate. Enter your certificate number from your receipt or email and your MVID. Select Retrieve. Once the information is found, your renewal status will appear. Click View Certificate and your new eMVRC will be generated. Save it on your device or print a copy for your records. And that's it. You successfully renewed your motor vehicle registration online without visiting the tax office. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos where I simplify Jamaica tax office processes. No stress, just simple step. See you next time.